In this video, I will deeply explore whether the Chase Sapphire Preferred card is actually worth the $95 annual fee for the average traveler. This card has dominated the market for years because it offers a perfect balance of value and simplicity. On the positive side, you get incredible travel protections and the ability to transfer points to partners like Hyatt or United. These points are worth significantly more when used for luxury hotels or flights. However, there are some downsides to consider before you apply today. The lack of luxury perks like airport lounge access might be a deal breaker if you travel frequently and value comfort. Also, the 3% foreign transaction fee is waived, but the point earning on general shopping is somewhat low compared to competitors. If you spend heavily on dining and travel, this is a powerhouse card that pays for itself quickly. But if you prefer cash back, a simple no-fee card might be a better fit. Ultimately, it remains the gold standard for beginners looking to enter the world of travel rewards.